Hi everyone, I'm Curt Frye, and in this movie I would like to show you how to control printing in your Microsoft Excel workbooks. And yes, I do know that we do almost everything online and electronically these days, but there will be times when you need to print something out on paper or to a PDF. And in this movie, I want to show you how to control that better because you might never have learned or you might have forgotten over time. So I have opened my sample file and I have data for each month of sales based on 5 categories in a bookstore. And let's say that I want to print this worksheet out, but have it appear on a single piece of paper. So the first thing we should do is figure out what it's going to look like when we print it. For that, we can go to Page Break Preview. So I will go to the View tab of the ribbon, and then under Workbook Views, I'll click Page Break Preview. And here I can see that I have 2 pages, and this vertical line here indicates where the break is going to occur. So that gives me information for what I'm working with. I'll go ahead and click Normal to go back to Normal View, and you can see this thin dash gray line here indicating where one page ends and the next one begins. If I want this entire worksheet to print on a single physical page or single page in a PDF, then I can control that by going to the Page Layout tab of the ribbon, and then I have the Scale to Fit group. And here I can set the width and the height for the eventual printout. So for the width, I'll change it from automatic to 1 page, and the height also from automatic to 1 page. Although in this case, I really only needed to worry about width. Now I can see what this will look like when printed by going back to View, clicking Page Break Preview, and here you can see that everything will in fact fit on 1 page. So I'll go back to normal. And I want to emphasize that you do not need to put everything on just 1 page. If you have 4 pages, then if I went back to Page Layout, then I could set the width to 2 pages and the height also to 2 pages. Then that would force everything to print 2 pages wide and, if possible, 2 pages high. Now for the second printing scenario, let's say that I want to set a print area, and that means I only want to print a specific part of a worksheet. To do that, I will select the cells that I want to print. In this case, I'll make it A3 through D9. So every category, but just for the months of January, February, and March. And then on Page Layout, and I already happen to be on that tab, then in the Page Setup group, I'll click Print Area, and then click Set Print Area. And when I click away, my print area will have been set. And I can see what that will look like in a preview by pressing Control P. And you can see here that I have only the selected area that is ready to print. I'll go ahead and click the back arrow, and I'm here. If you want to clear a print area, then again on the Page Layout tab, Page Setup, click Print Area, and then click Clear Print Area. And now when I press Control P, I have the data ready to print here. And then if I preview and go to the next page, then I see the second half of the print. So hopefully these skills are a good reminder for what you can do with printed worksheets in Microsoft Excel. If you have found these tips to be useful, please like the video and, of course, subscribe to my channel.